How to transfer your photos and videos to Backblaze B2 on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos and videos to Backblaze B2 on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings and go down again until you find transfer a copy of your information and then click next. And here you will find this one, Backblaze B2, and now just click next and then click next again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.